let us look at a new question on commission. So this is going to be our first example on commission, and the question reads: a salesman sells storybooks and textbooks. The cost price of a storybook is shilling 600, while that of a textbook is shillings 900. The salesman is paid a commission of 10% on the cost of any book sold. One day, the salesman sold twice as many storybooks as textbooks. He earned a commission of shillings 8,400. Full stop. Determine the total number of storybooks sold, and you get 4 marks. Now, let us just go directly to working this question. So in this question, we are told that we have a salesman who deals in two type of books, the storybooks and the textbooks. So in one day, he sold a given number of textbook and a given number of storybooks. So we are told to determine the total number of storybooks sold. Now, here we are told that one day the salesman sold twice as many storybooks as textbooks. So we are going to let the number of storybook be X. Let the number of storybooks be X. So what happens if the number of storybooks is X? It means the number of textbooks is going to be 2X, because here we are told that storybooks is sold twice as many storybooks as textbooks. So it means if the number of storybooks is X, the number of textbooks will be 2X. So we write it here. The number of textbook will be 2X. The number of textbook is going to be 2X. We are told that now if we have 2X and we have X for that one, so we are told that the cost of storybook is 600. It is here. The cost of storybook is 600, while the cost of textbook is 900. Now we can find the total sales. We can find the total sales. So how do we get the total sales? Here for the total sales, we are going to take the cost price multiplied by the number of item. So the number of storybooks was X and the number of textbook was 2X. So we are going to multiply by its respective cost. So we are going to take the cost of storybook was 600. So 600 multiplied by X added to the cost of textbook was 900 multiplied by, now what will be the number of textbooks? It's going to be X over 2, because we were told that the number of, here look at this statement here, the number of storybooks is equal to, it is here, the number of storybook is equals to twice the number of textbook. So for you to get the number of textbook, you are going to divide the number of storybook by 2. So this, what do you get? I'm going to get 600x plus added to, this is 450x. You get 1050x. So this is the cost of this is the total sales. Now we were told that here the salesman is paid 10%. The salesman is paid a commission of 10% on the cost of any book sold. So 10%, we need to find that 10%. 10% commission commission is going to be, what if we put it like this? If we put it like this, let's say 100% is equal to or is equivalent to 1050. This is X, which is now the total sales. What about this 10%? Remember, this 100% and this 10% and this 1050 should be equal to, everything should be equal to 8,400, which is the total commission, 8,400. So whatever you get here, you equate it to 8,400. Now let us check. So we have 10 multiplied by 1050x, then divided by 100, and this is equals to 8,400. So what do you get here? You're going to get here, you're going to get this will cancel that one, this will cancel that one, or simply 10,500 divided by 100, you're going to get 105x is equals to 8,400. So you need the value of x divided by 105 divided by 105, and x is equals to, in your calculator, what do you get? You're going to get x is equals to 80. So this means that the number of storybooks, which was x, is equals to 80. The number of storybooks sold. Now for you to get that commission is equals to 80 books, and that was the required working and answer for that question. So guys, kindly remember to subscribe and share to your friend. Thank you very much for watching this video.